Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel once again. And in today's video I'm gonna show you how to convert your 30 fps video into 60 fps using Adobe Premiere Pro. So without wasting time, let's begin. So first what you have to do is open up the Adobe Premiere Pro and then select new sequence. Go into the file and select new sequence. This bar will open all these presets you can use to convert your video according to your need, but what we are doing here is converting into 60 fps. So for 60 fps you have to choose AVCHD and then you'll get 1080p. In 1080p you'll get different presets, so go ahead and select this one, 60 fps, and click OK. The new sequence will pop up, and then go ahead and choose your video. I'm gonna choose this one, the Yakuza. Later I'm gonna be publishing on my YouTube channel as well. Go ahead, click and drag into the timeline. This message will pop up because the setting does not match, so push this keep existing setting. Let me just make some quick adjustment to the video. There you go. Project, you can see the file I have uploaded, and then let me just forward this bar a little ahead. You can see the preview section now. In preview section you can see the video I have uploaded, and in preview section you see this empty bar, this black thing, which shows that this video is 720p and the preset is of 1080p, so it doesn't match the quality, so you have to increase the size of the video. What I'm gonna do is increase the size of this clip so it will match 1080p. The simple step is go ahead and scale and put the value, change it to 150, and then click enter. There you go, it filled the gap. Now it's 1080p. From 720p we have converted the file into 1080p. It's that simple. And now what we have to do is right click on the, now let me just shorten the length of the video so it will be easier for me to render the video. So go ahead and select the video, right click and find optical flow. Yes, you will find it in time interpolation. Go ahead and select this optical flow and then press enter. It will start your video rendering, which will convert your file from 30 fps to 60 fps. The other way to check your video is this red line. If you see this red line, which means your video needs to be rendered and it's not successfully converted into 60 fps. When it changes into green one, job done. So let's wait now. My video is done. My video is completely converted into 60 fps. You can see the green line here, which means the job is done and it is converted into 60 fps. So this is the easiest way to convert your video into 60 fps. If you have any video which is 30 fps or anything below that in Adobe Premiere Pro, let me just go ahead and export the video, and this is the bit rates you can choose from. There's so many lists, there's so many presets you can find here. You can just select any of it according to your need. I'm gonna show you all. I think there is one YouTube one as well. Yeah, there's YouTube presets as well, HD, 4K, 1080p, whatever you like to choose. And I'm just gonna go with my video quality. Where is it? There you go. I'm gonna choose my high bit video quality, and that's it. I have completed. My video will export and I will get my video in 60 fps. And thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please give me a subscribe, and peace.